So this is how easy it is to mix up your tile adhesive to apply wall tiles. Now you're going to require a bucket of clean water, a mixing paddle and a power drill. And don't forget your PPE, a dust mask and some specs. Pour your dry powder adhesive into the clean water. Do make sure that you check the instructions to work out the right quantities of powder with water. Then start to mix with the paddle. Do this slowly and start to work up a little bit quicker to avoid any splashes and dust. After about 4 or 5 minutes, you'll start to see this type of consistency. Once it's mixed, clean off any excessive adhesive off the paddle so it's clean to use next time. Once you've got a firm consistency, spread it across the wall using a standard trowel. It can then be combed through using a notched edge trowel. This is going to help you bed your tiles more flush and evenly to the wall. Leave a gap for your tile spaces to be wedged in, and then you can continue the same method to tile the rest of your room. Once this is dry, the tiles can be grouted, cleaned, and you're complete. So that's how easy it is to mix up your wall tile adhesive. If you're looking for more top tips, check us out on all social media handles, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel